how to delete multiple TikTok videos at once. If you want to delete all TikTok videos without deleting the whole account, let me show you the fastest way to delete TikTok videos. We open TikTok, click on our profile. There isn't a built-in TikTok option for deleting multiple videos, so we're going to open one video, tap on three dots, and here select delete video. We will be redirected to the next video. Here we will do the same. This is the fastest way to delete videos without deleting the whole account. If you want to delete your whole account, just click on your profile, then top right, here settings and privacy, manage account, and at the bottom delete account.